Hello, viewers. I'm glad you're here today. You're here to find out what not to buy as a gift for someone who's interested in brewing makgeolli. So I don't want to be all negative here. So I am going to also tell you what to buy as gift. If you can't buy that thing, what should you get instead? And I also want to share with you some of my favorite gifts that people have given me over the years. Some very kind people have given me some nice gifts. I want to show them to you as well. So that's today's video. Okay, so first of all, what not to buy. So this is the category of thing that I do not want you to buy. These are powdered rice makgeolli making kits. Inside the boxes are a little pouch of powdered rice and some purified enzymes that can act on the powdered rice without being cooked even. So these are very powerful enzymes, and the rice is already powdered. This is a very oversimplified brewing method. Produces some kind of brew very quickly, but it is inauthentic and it tastes sort of weird. It's not makgeolli at all. So it's disappointing that there are so many of these powdered makgeolli kits around. They're easy to use, but brewing makgeolli the right way is not that hard. So these are only slightly simpler than brewing makgeolli the right way. Although I appreciate all these gifts. For example, my brother Glenn gave me this box of powdered makgeolli kit. So thank you, Glenn, for that. I do appreciate it. And especially it's useful for me because I need content. So I need to try things out and make videos about them. So I did make a video about this. And also thank you, Wansa, for sending me 3 kinds of powdered makgeolli kits that I could experiment with. So they're fine gifts for me because I have to make videos. But for someone who's just starting out and is curious about brewing makgeolli, that's not the way to go because that's not the way you're going to brew. So what's the alternative? Well, take a look at this. This is a makgeolli kit. You can order it now. A link is in the description. So I have no affiliation with this makgeolli kit, but I do recommend it. Simple reason, this is a makgeolli kit that includes real rice and real nuruk. This is actually how you brew makgeolli. So it's a great kit. It comes with a glass jar, a funnel, and the rice and the nuruk. So it is the authentic way to brew makgeolli, and it is not that hard, and it just takes a week or two, and you have your brew. And this equipment you can reuse, and when you replenish the ingredients, you can brew again and again. So this is a great kit. This is the kind of kit you should get instead. Do not get the powder makgeolli kits. Get a real kit, something like this one that has rice in it, not powdered rice. So that's the first message of this video. But what are some other gift ideas? The kit is something maybe good for someone that's just starting out, but for more experienced brewers, for example, what are some other gift ideas? I'm going to share gifts that I really enjoyed getting. For example, this kettle. This is the traditional kind of kettle for serving makgeolli. Really great. And these cups, sort of they're not tin cups, but they're I forget what they're actually made of. These cups are interesting as well. these particular ones have Seoul Jiangsu imprinted on the bottom, which is the most basic kind of makgeolli there is. Of course, you can get cups that are not branded. These are very nice. So these are great gift ideas for someone that loves makgeolli. You can always use these tin cups, and they last forever, and you don't care if they get dinged up or scratched. They're supposed to be that way. And I also like these gourd ladles. So I really appreciated getting this gift. This aluminum kettle, plated. So this is a great gift. Well, drinking cups are always welcome to anyone that enjoys alcohol. So, for example, these ones, these happen to say shui chu on them, but this is suguk. So you know who these are from. Thank you, Sari, for these drinking cups. Very, very nice. And take a look at these. I have a pair of these metal drinking cups. These are heavy. These are heavy, and there's brass drinking cups, and here's some metal cups, heavy, because these are brass, and they yeah, so nice and heavy. Says Jeff in here. These are really nice. So thank you, Brett, for these metal drinking cups. So, and finally, here's another set of drinking cups. These are special. They have a floral design on them. And when you tilt them, there's a kind of bell, jingles back and forth. Very nice. And I hope you can see the logo. And if you know what that logo is, you know that these are a special product. I have no idea how this got branded this way, but here they are. So very nice. Thank you, Alice, for these. So I wanted the chance to show my viewers some of these gifts that people have given me over the years that I really appreciate. These are all great gift ideas. Drinking cups, ladle, maybe some kind of equipment, a brewing kit that involves rice and nuruk, not powder and enzymes. That's the simple message I had for you today. And again, thanks to all of you. And oh, I almost forgot. I also had some nice cups similar to this, but with handles, the metal handles that stick out. Those were really nice, but I accidentally left those behind in Korea. So if you gave those to me, I'm very sorry. I left them behind in the hotel room kitchen. So sorry about that. I feel bad about that. I wish I had them now, but those were great. Those were great too. So if you enjoy makgeolli, or if you're giving a gift to someone that enjoys makgeolli, what are some other good gift ideas? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.